Hello friends, I am here with another video on another English writer, the great Indian English writer. The name is Raja Rao. So you will get all the details on Raja Rao that is important for the Master Cadre Punjab exam. So you don't need to go anywhere else for other details. So we will cover all the material which is important according to the exam. So let's begin with Raja Rao. So Raja Rao was born in 1908 and he died in 2006. So this is the lifetime of Raja Rao. Raja Rao was awarded with Sahitya Academy Award in 1964. Must remember, this is very important. And he was honored with Padam Shri in 1969. So these are very important awards. So you must remember that Sahitya Academy Award in 1964 and Padam Shri in 1969. Raja Rao started writing in Kannada language. So this was the starting language of Raja Rao. So he started writing in Kannada language. And the most important work of Raja Rao is Kantha Pura. So you must remember this work. This is the most important work, Kantha Pura. And this work is related with Gandhian struggle for freedom. Means the main theme is Gandhian struggle for freedom, and this struggle is means to say that this type of struggle is done by a character in this novel and not by Gandhi itself. So Gandhian struggle for freedom is there. It is a kind of political novel. What kind of novel is this? Political novel. Harikatha is the form of narrative. Means the narrative style जिस फॉर्म में इस नॉवल को प्रेजेंट किया गया है दैट इज़ हरी कथा. जैसे कोई हरी कथा, कोई कथा सुना रहा हो. सो हरी कथा इज़ द फॉर्म ऑफ नरेटिव. और जो ये नॉवल है कांथापुरा, दिस इज सेट इन साउथ इंडियन विलेज. सो देर इज़ अ साउथ इंडियन विलेज in which this novel is set up. Hero of this work is Murthy, and very very important, Murthy. And the person who is narrating this story is Achakka. Achakka is the oldest woman. Who is the oldest woman? Achakka. Remember this name. So this novel deals with the caste system of India, that there is inequality between castes, and people feel very low in people feel very down in front of other people. And the name of the mother of Murthy is Narsamma. Who is mother? Narsamma. And Rangma is the name of the lady with whom Murthy live. So this is about Kanthapura. You must remember that the works of Raja Rao are very deeply rooted in metaphysics. Very deeply rooted in metaphysics. Metaphysics means beyond physics, beyond physical world. So this is one of the major point of Raja Rao's work. Next work is The Serpent and the Rope. Very very important. It was published in 1960, and Ramaswamy is the main hero of the work. So Master with French sketch. Master with French sketch means that in this work Raja Rao shows the marriage between an Indian person and a Western person. Indian and Western people are two different things. So there is a marriage between Indian boy and a Western lady, and that the name of that Western lady is Mendeleev, who is the beloved of Ramaswamy. But their marriage is not very successful, so they broke up. So they go separate. and after they get separate, Ramaswamy meets Savitri and married her. So after their marriage, after the marriage of Ramaswamy and Savitri, they fall in love with each other and they live happily ever after. So this about the serpent and the rope. And you must remember that the Sahitya Academy Award which Raja Rao won in 1964, that was after the serpent and the rope. Next work is The Cat and the Shakespeare. Cat and the Shakespeare is a metaphysical story. बताया था जैसे that metaphysical means beyond physical, beyond the physical world. So it is about story Ramakrishna. This story is about Ramakrishna Pai and Govindandan Nair, and who are they? They are two clerks. This story is about two clerks, Ramakrishna and Govind Anand, and their love affairs with the other girls. So very very important. Next is Comrade Kirillov. Very very important. Comrade Kirillov. It was published in 1976. This work is originally written in English, but it was published in Latin language. The major character of this work is Padmanabha Iyer, and this work deals with communism, freedom struggle, etc. Very very important. Next work is Chessmaker and his novels. Chessmaker and his novels. This work is about impossible love, the love which is not possible, and the main character of this work is Shivram Shastri. Shivram Shastri. It deals with metaphysical love leads to self-realization, that the love with metaphysical word, the love with that word which is not actually present, it leads to self-realization. We reach at that point where we realize about ourselves, that what we are, what kind of personality we have. Next novel is Joanie. It is a short story and it was published in French. Other work is Cow and Barricade. It is also a short story, very very important. So this is all about Raja Rao. So it covers every point that is important for the exam. So thank you very much. I will be there with another video on another Indian writer which is there in your syllabus. So please subscribe, share and like this video. I will be there with another material very soon. Thank you very much.